In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subtask in ClickUp. If you want to break a larger task into smaller, more manageable pieces, adding a subtask is a simple and effective way to stay organized. Subtasks help you keep related work grouped under one main task, which makes it easier to track progress and assign specific actions. To get started, open ClickUp and navigate to the list that contains the task where you want to create your subtask. This is important because subtasks are added directly under an existing parent task, so you'll need to be in the correct list before making any changes. Once you're in list view, find the parent task you want to work with. Then, move your mouse over that task. As you hover, additional options will appear beside it. Look for the Create Subtask icon, which is the small plus icon that shows up next to the task. Click that icon to begin creating your new subtask. As soon as you click it, a new subtask row will appear directly underneath the parent task. This lets you add the subtask right in place without leaving the current view, which makes the process quick and convenient. Now, type in the name of your subtask. Try to make the title clear and specific so it's easy to understand at a glance. A well-named subtask can help you and your team know exactly what needs to be done without opening it for more detail. If needed, you can also fill in extra information for the subtask. For example, you may want to assign it to someone, choose a due date, set a priority level, or update the status. These details are optional, but they can be very helpful if you're using ClickUp to manage deadlines, ownership, or workflow stages. When everything looks good, press Enter or save the subtask to create it. After that, the new subtask will appear underneath its parent task in list view. This confirms that it has been added successfully and is now connected to the main task. That's all it takes to add a subtask in ClickUp. It's a fast way to organize work, make larger tasks easier to manage, and keep everything neatly structured in one place. Thanks for watching.